How are you all doing?
Fine, ma'am.
Fine, ma'am.
So are you all at your home, in your own hometown, at your own home now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
So this is your third year. So you all are ready for your work to get started once you get your job.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So looks like the rest of them are not talking to me. So you all know about communication cycle, right? You know the communication process, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So
Yes, ma'am.
okay, I have a very simple conversation with you all before we start the class. Since you all are in your third year, so you understand that talking or responding, here I'm taking a session today. Tomorrow it'll be like you're going to work in a company where one person will be talking, you will be a part of that team. Don't you think that you communicating is very important there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so I hear Rupam. What about others? So there are so many of them. Abhishek, Abhrak, Akash, Akshmita, Asmita, sorry, Vidisha, Deepak, Farhan, Indrani, Indrojit, Ishita, Madhurima, Malay, Monisha, Manatosh, Masuma, Pritam, Priya, Rakesh. Are you all there, guys? Can you all hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. You're audible, but your videos
Yes,
are
ma'am.
not.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. দেখতে পাচ্ছি।
So when you all are there, why don't you all talk? I mean, I'm just talking a regular conversation. Since now we are not in the class, obviously আমি কাউকে দেখতে পাচ্ছি না, but
Ma'am, where I live, ma'am, there's a construction work is going on. So, ma'am, for me, it put on the mic. It's like
okay. Okay, Indrajit, I get it. But I also have to ask your pardon for today because there is some construction going on. I think the whole Kolkata is getting renovated or what? I mean, every second lane there is a construction, and I am like stuck with this construction today. Can you have? Is my voice clear, or you can hear some background noise?
Ma'am,
Do
your
you all?
voice is
It is
clear.
clear, ma'am.
Ma'am, your voice is
It is
clear.
clear.
But you can hear the background noise. Can you all hear the background noise?
No, ma'am. No,
No,
ma'am.
No,
ma'am.
no, ma'am.
Okay, I tried every possible way to close all the areas, but I can hear it and it's bothering me a lot. But I still want you all to be assured that it's not bothering you.
I'm giving ma'am 20 minutes. Like
Ma'am, it's fine, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Indrajit, what you were saying?
I'm giving like 25 minutes like that. Then I can shut down the curtains and all, and shut down my room so I can talk with you and communicate.
Yes, yes, you can do that. Because I did it that way. But it's very important. So you all understand, right? Like we are doing this soft skill sessions for you. Your college is providing you this for your this class. You might feel it's not that important, but it is the most important class because you have 6 classes, 5 classes, 4 classes for your technical skills, for your hard skills. But this is the only class where you have your soft skills. And your soft skills are going to take you way beyond in your life, because tomorrow you get a job and you go for a job interview. Okay, so they ask for your technical skills, that is your hard skills. Jeta criteria thake job er. Okay, we want somebody who knows this applications. He should be diploma holder. He should be done his 10th, 12th certificate, blah blah blah, all these things. But you'll see there will be hundreds of applicants for that job. But how many? Only 5 or 10 people get that job. Why and how? That is because of your soft skill. Maybe you are not able to identify it, but people who are in the next side of the bridge, the other side of the bridge, they can identify it much better. And so you have to refine yourself in such a way that when you cross the bridge from your academics to your corporate world, you should be confident enough to holding not only your degrees confidently, but holding yourself, your personality more confidently. If there is some challenge in your degrees, in some challenge with your hard skills, suppose you did not have the proper training, you know how a machine works, but you haven't done the proper hands-on training, but you have amazing soft skills. You know how to convince that person, how to tell that person that no matter what, if I get to do this, I am going to be the right person for this job. That kind of confidence is what I'm looking at from you. But that cannot happen without you people cooperating with me. Do you all agree to this? Do you all believe in this?
Yeah, ma'am. Sure.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I cannot, right? I mean, I will want you to keep doing things. There are a set of, topics jeta ache tomader you have to answer. There are two things parallelly which is going on. One is your answering and knowing what the chapters are about. Okay, problem solving. These are the 5 skills. These are the 5 things that is there. And you get a question and you write the answers. Soft skill bhalo number pecho. But soft skill ta to number পাওয়ার জন্য শুধু হয় না. It has to be inherited. You have to নিজের মধ্যে ওইটাকে আনতে হবে. তাই জন্য ওটাকে বলে soft skill. Because it refines you. তোমাকে আরো a diamond without being sharpened, it doesn't has its value, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
So each one of you, so many of you are there, but I just heard 4-5 of them talking. I haven't said that you only have to talk in English, but you start talking. Very important that you start talking. Because if you don't talk, then there is no point. What is the point of soft skill? You've done your communications, from your first year, second year, you're learning about it. But are you communicating with me? No, you're not. Half of the times you're not communicating with me. And I don't know what is stopping you to do that. Today, if you are communicating with me, I can tell you your pros and cons. You can work, and that is a much lower risk to do than to go and tell when you start working. যখন তুমি অফিসে যাবে, নতুন একটা টিমের কাছে যাবে, নতুন new people, new colleagues will be there. And you can tell, so you know what, আমি না ঠিক এটা বলতে পারবো না. Suppose your team lead asks you, can you explain this say application, কোন একটা application তুমি বানাচ্ছো, তোমাকে ওটা explain করতে হবে, and you go and tell him that, you know what, I don't think I can tell it. You ask a friend of yours, can you please tell him how it works? That isn't more risky thing to do. Okay, Akash, I think your background is, yeah. Can you just mute it? Okay, thank you. So I was just talking to you all, saying that which is more riskier? You all are calculative, right? What do you think? Today, if you do not open up, if you do not talk, that is more risky, or tomorrow if you start, okay, Now, since I'm at work, I will tell them how to learn that. That is more risky.
Ma'am, the latter
And we
one.
have to open up from now only.
Yes, you all have to start opening up, break that feeling
Ma'am.
around you and say, like, I don't believe anybody who comes and tells me, ma'am, I cannot talk. It hotei pare na that you cannot talk. Kono ekta language to you are able to talk. I can understand that I am not very good in English. That's fine. But you have to start. You cannot learn any language without practicing. People are now learning French, Spanish, German, whatnot. You know why? If you go to a new country, a new state, say you learn automatically learn the new language, right? I know for sure anybody who comes to Kolkata will learn Bengali in some years. Little bit of Bengali, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes, because your environment is there. You start talking. Tomorrow, if you're working with a international client, you're talking to an American client, do you think you can explain him in Bengali?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No,
You
ma'am.
will not.
No, ma'am.
You will try all your effort in whatever whatever English you have learned from
But
your
ma'am,
child. Yes.
ma'am,
Bolo.
ma'am, in many places, especially in UN, when I was seeing some interviews, people use translators, and that can be a, you know, পরবর্তী ক্ষেত্রে তো এটাও ইউজ করা যেতে পারে। মানে এখন যদি আজকে আমরা জাপান বা দেখি বা আপনার অন্য কান্ট্রিজ গুলোকে দেখি,
That is a
they
later.
use translators.
But that is a later thing. Let me tell you, for every conversation, when you will have a, we're talking about normal conversations, right? When you start
Yes, ma'am.
working, and just because of COVID has presented us to live in a global world. এটা তোমাদের agree করতেই হবে, right? আগে,
Absolutely, ma'am.
even though you were at home, you were in like in India and I was in US, you can still imagine, okay, you want to connect. So, but now all the space, there are a lot of companies who have sold their, work areas, the work offices, because they believe that you can work from any part of the world. They've started hiring people from globally across.
People are
Because
working now from home right now.
yes,
Because
from
of the
home.
pandemic.
Yes, so they see economically also they're saving with the building budget. They're saving.
Yeah.
So even if the company has to pay for the internet, it's more cheaper and more beneficial. And then there is no working hours. Like at work, you're 10 to 9, 10 to 7, you're available, say, or 10 to 5, you're available. And then the rest of the time is depending on the person's availability. But now it's like you're at home. You're all the time available. So it's the benefit part also, right?
The pandemic.
Yes, ma'am.
So since this is how it is, we also should take the advantage. Don't you think so? If I talk in Bangla, I'll have 10 English or Hindi in it, because I have probably not brought up in listening too much of Bangla. But that doesn't mean that I don't talk in Bangla. I do in my own possible way. And I'm learning a lot. And it's the same thing for you. It's just a language. I want you all to come out of this thought process that, Ami Bangla jani na. Sorry, Ami English jani na. You all know English. I'm going to talk about this today in the class about your left brain and right brain. Certain things in your mind, it's a block. It's not that you don't know. I will tell you some basic examples. Have you ever gone through a situation where, suppose, the first time you're asked to, say, talk about, do something which you are not sure of in the class? Suppose cooking.
Most of the
Very
times.
simple. suppose your mom says tomorrow I'm going to go out, and you have your little sister and brother. So Rupam, can you cook for them? Rupam is like, what? I will cook. I never cooked. I don't even know how it is. The mom says that, don't worry, I'm going to help you out. And she tells you all the process. You listen carefully, your soft skill, start using your soft skill. You understand the concept. You try and comprehend it, that okay, এরকম করে বান্ধার প্রথমে এটা দিতে হবে, ওটা দিতে হবে, then I have to stir it for some time, and then I have to add the chicken or fish, whatever, then I have to do this, and ultimately you end up doing something. And then don't you feel you'll be proud of yourself that something you also did not know you can do and you did it?
Yes, ma'am.
So, ma'am, we have to push ourselves and practice. That's what I was saying.
Yes, you have to push yourself. You have to come out and say, the way of thinking is like, ma'am bolche ekhon shune ni, ki bolbo ekhane, amar ki bolar ache, I don't know what to say, ma'am to lecture dicche, I can do that. If you want, if I go and say your principal, sir, oh sir, I have finished with all the chapters, is that going to help you? Or you think like tomorrow when you all get a good job, confidently go and work in a place, in a reputed place, you're going to give back to your college much more than what they expect from you? That is the kind of thing that I want from you all. I want you all to talk, push yourself. You're in your 3rd year. If you don't do it today, it's gonna be, you will learn it. শিখতে তোমাদের হবেই. When you go to work, when you have to compare yourself with the other people who are there, who already learned it, obviously you will try to do it. So why not from today?
Yes, ma'am. But I think that for most of us, we like feel a feeling of fear inside when we try to speak. That's the problem. Ma'am, I have the words, but I cannot speak sometimes.
Satyam, it's not the fear. It's not the fear. It's just a block.
An uncomfortable feeling. It's an uncomfortable feeling.
Yes.
And we think that we will make fun of ourselves in front of others.
তোমাদের মনে হয় যে আমি এই জিনিসটা ইংলিশে বলে উঠতে পারবো না. Though you know it.
Yes, ma'am.
It all happens just by doing it. It's like I was just telling it in other class also. Like,
the main thing is that, ma'am, we can't find that specific word at that time which I want to pronounce. That is the main problem, ma'am, at that time, at that situation.
Yes, it is a
vocabulary.
Sandeepan, it's a very common problem. Even for us, if we don't, because I speak regularly, I talk regularly. In Bangla, I can tell you, you are facing this problem in English, I am facing this problem in Bangla. If I have to say some Bangla words, I don't know the Bangla word. So if I have to say, amar khub অসুবিধা হচ্ছে, I don't say অসুবিধা because I forget that word. So I say আমার খুব পরেশানি হচ্ছে. So I used a Hindi word in place of that. Or I would say আমার তো খুব irritating feel হচ্ছে. Even in normal Bengali is also like, if you start using, for example, আমি সকালে ওয়াকে যাই, হাঁটতে যাই অনেক কম লোকেরাই বলে. Maybe a lot of people just say ওয়াকে যাই. But if you replace those words, this is a tool. If you replace those words like walk take shoriye, if you do say hatte jai, purposely prothom 7 days mathay rekhe, if I say ami roj hatte jai and I don't use any English word, I'm going to guarantee you that 11th day you will end up saying ami hatte jai. Then you will not say ami walke jai. So it's a machine that you have to get running.
Practicing and implementing it every day.
Yes, because swimming, I was just telling in my last class, swimming kyo shikhte chaile, I don't know, like I've heard, okay, in the books and the stories that I've read and the movies that I've seen, in villages, the kids are like thrown in the water and they start learning in the water. They'll gulp water, they'll try and drown. Then there's of course people are there too, but they learn swimming how? By jumping into the water. If you say somebody comes to
From
you
the
and
fear, ma'am, from the
yeah,
fear, ma'am,
so you
because
have to
they
catch
thought that yes, ma'am, they are thinking that if I don't
yes.
swim at that particular situation, then I might get drunk,
Forget
or sorry,
about
I
I
might
don't
get drowned.
Sandeepan, if they come and tell you যে সন্দীপান দা আমাকে একটু সুইমিং শেখাবে, কিন্তু আমি কিন্তু জলে নামবো না, তুমি আমাকে আগে শেখাও and then I'll jump into the water. Is that possible for you? Can you do that?
That's not possible.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Right? Not possible. So you all have to come out of that. I mean, it's high time. Push yourself. Jump into the water. Start talking whatever you can. So if you want, I can do a particular class. So you people will go for your interviews. We'll do each one of you, সবার সঙ্গে one-on-one. We can do your introductions. Very important. First question is জিজ্ঞেস করে, tell me about yourself. তাহলে কি এমন জিজ্ঞেস করে? What do they actually see in tell me about yourself? সবাই যদি ওই একই জিনিস বলে যেটা it's written in your CV, then what is the difference in you? So your soft skill is your
সেখানে
thing.
আমাকে বলতে হবে যে আমার অ্যাকচুয়ালি আমার প্রেফারেন্স কি, আমি সিভিতে যেগুলো লেখা আছে সেগুলোর বাদে আমার প্রেফারেন্স, আমি সেইগুলোর ব্যাপারে বলতে পারবো।
We will talk about it in details, but all I want you all to do is to push yourself to an extent and figure out what are your positive qualities, what are your strengths, কোন জায়গাটা তোমার strength আর কোন জায়গাটা তোমার weakness, because if you don't know your weakness, you will never be able to hide your weakness.
Ma'am, I don't know my strength. Ma'am, actually, I don't know about my strength, but I know my weakness, and it is rage. আমার খুব মানে কিছু একটা কাজ যদি আমি পারছি না, আমার একটা বাজে রকমের ফ্রাস্ট্রেশন চলে আসে, আমি মানে রাগ তখন কন্ট্রোল করতে পারি না।
Conflict and anger management theories, all those comes in those in interpersonal skills, but we will work on all these things. Okay, but what you guys have done that interpersonal skills? Have you done that chapter?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You did that chapter, interpersonal skills, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So you will have different types of personalities, right? You will get to know different types of personalities. কোন personalityর সঙ্গে কিরম ভাবে deal করতে হয়, and interpersonal skills, and what you are talking about, Rupam, was your intrapersonal skill. Again, that have you done with that intrapersonal skill?
No, ma'am.
You know what is do you
No.
know the difference between interpersonal skills and intrapersonal skills?
No, ma'am.
So you know what, I'll do one class, I'll ask your teachers, we'll work on interpersonal skills and intrapersonal skills, but before that I want you all to know yourself more better. Amar ekhane oshubidha hocche jeta, like how Rupam said, this is my this is where I deal with. I want you all to come out with your, what will you tell the other person if you don't know about yourself? So this is something I want you all to identify, figure out what all you can do about yourself, because today if you don't push yourself, I will not be able to help you, and tomorrow when you will not get through a job, it's going to be same kind of a feeling what Rupam says, that when he cannot do something he feels terrible. I don't want you all to feel terrible ever again in your life. I genuinely, honestly, sincerely want to help you all, but I can only help you when you are there to help yourself. So you all have to promise me to bug up yourself. Are you going to do that?
Absolutely, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
ma'am. Of course.
Yeah, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
And I really want you all to. Okay, so there are 96
Yes, ma'am.
people, and I'm expecting
Yes,
90
ma'am. Yes,
people
ma'am.
start talking. Okay, if you don't talk, respond. Write down. You have this text here, right? You can also chat and text, because I'm talking, some people are talking, so there's so many people. At least write. I want to see you all talking, writing, telling me your point of views. Don't sit idle. I can give you a lecture. Okay, problem solving er pasta jinish ache, learn this are the things, and I don't want to give you a lecture like that. I really want a refined personalities when you all come up with yourself. Okay, so let's start with something we did last time. So you all remember we were talking about, what was the last session we did? Yes, we were
It was
talking
an
about.
introductory session. It was an
Um,
introductory session, and we talked about soft skills and how it helps us in our daily life.
okay,
I think
okay.
that's all.
So we spoke about a general communication cycle, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
No?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
We were talking about problem solving and
Problem
meetings.
solving as well as ma'am.
Yes, oh, that's what you confused me. Yes, I think we spoke about problem solving, right? We did that chapter.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Problem solving, there are 5
Yeah, ma'am.
points, right?
Yes, come on. Rakesh, say, what are the 5 points? Yeah, so come on, say. Did you all forget it? Should I tell you once more?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
Please repeat, ma'am.
Okay, so the 5 steps of problem solving that we. Okay, first of all, let's recap quickly. Okay, what we did. What do you understand by a problem? What is a problem? Remember, it is a quest or a matter of doubt or difficulty or a challenge where people cannot address it. It becomes a problem, right? It is a
Yes, ma'am.
situation which is not welcoming, which creates doubt. That is a problem, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Some problems are smaller. You know, it is not even a problem if you just make small little changes. Then you will find that it's not a problem at all. But sometimes um, it becomes a bigger problem. Then you have to know how to resolve that problem. If it is a smaller problem, you know that you will get a quick solution to that. Shordi legeche, you know, okay, this is the kind, maybe a little bit of, it's not shordi, but it's like a little bit of, you know, throat pain or kharash. So you quickly go and get a tulsi medicine or a hanitas or something where you know that this is going to work for you, right? So small little doctors that are there inside us, you know how to solve those problems. Suppose there's a problem in cutting a vegetable, you would go and quickly grab a vegetable which is either pre-cut from the shops, or you would get something which is easier to cook, right? So small little problems, but there are some bigger problems which needs to be addressed,
Yes, ma'am. The
right?
5 steps, ma'am. You taught us, ma'am.
Yes.
The
Yes. We will use.
brainstorm ideas and deciding on a solution, defining the problem, reviewing the result, improving the problem and solving skill, like that, ma'am. I don't remember it clearly, but that much I remember.
Okay, so let's all remember it today, okay? Because you have to use it. তোমাদের এটা শিখতেই হবে. For the 5 parts. Now all of you listen carefully. You all have to tell me this. First is analyze. You have to analyze a problem, right?
Yes,
Analyze
ma'am.
করতে হবে, like figure out করতে হবে. How do you analyze? Problem টা আদৌ problem কিনা? How do you realize? You ask the questions like WH family, like why, what, how, when, where, what, how this problem arose, what happened.
Yes, ma'am.
What's the- Just a second.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm sorry. So there was something going on. There was some noise in my house and I could not figure out what was it. So, so analyzing, where you have to figure out where the problem arised from, to figure out like whether it is a problem or not. That is the first stage. If you figure out that it's not a problem, then probably you will not have so much of, you can just quickly solve it, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Unless you realize that it is actually a problem, only then it is a problem. Otherwise, if it is not a big problem, you would probably figure out, okay, somebody said that somebody is not drinking water in your house. For example, let's see this one. This was actually, if we were doing in the class, I would have made you all do it. Okay, so suppose there are 3. Can you see this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
There's 3 filled glasses and 3 empty glasses. Okay. So I asked, say 3 of you, 6 of you to bring water, and I said, so I said like, bring glasses of waters. Bring 3 glasses of water. So I see some of you have filled it full, some of you have filled it little less, some of you have filled it even lesser, some of you just brought it empty. Probably there is an imbalance and there is a problem. Now here we had 3 filled glasses and 3 empty glasses. And I say, this is going to look so bad. What would be your solution to this? Close the door. What would be the solution to this?
Fill the other 3 glasses with half the water from the 3 glasses, I guess.
From the glasses, correct. Right. That is one solution, and easy solution. So this kind of a problem would not matter, right? Like what happens if there are 3 cups of tea and you quickly bring and you see that, oh, 3 more friends have come. And they say, hey, what do? You quickly, divide it and have it, right?
Ma'am, why can't we drink all the tea and let them starve and like that?
Oh, you want to do that? And well, then that's your point of view of doing it. I'm sure that will not show your empathy. That will show that you are being very selfish about yourself. So it's up to you. Yeah. Or I arrange. Suppose if I see that it has to be placed like that. So this is like I place it. So half of this goes here, half of this goes here, half of this goes here. So basically you resolved the issue even before thinking anything. So you really have to find here, like, how are we going to give the thing? Why did we bring it empty? These are the kind of questions. So problem solving.
What's the problem from every angle?
Yes, to figure out whether it is a problem or not. So after analyzing and you figure out, okay, this cannot be solved like this, that cannot be solved like that. So what we have to do? Then you start generating. That's your second stage. Generating ideas. It's in the set of alternatives that you can have in your mind. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
And in generate, you have 2 parts like the diverge and converge. I told you, right? Where you use your creative thinking. Your mind key goes a little out of the area to figure out what can be. Yes. And in this, you would need your brainstorming, your critical thinking, right?
To figure out the best way we can do the job.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, isn't that brainstorming is the thing that where we convince others to do the job that to convince others to do the job that they're supposed to do, but they're not doing that?
Yeah, brainstorming is basically you're trying to convince the other.
Not manipulate.
Yeah, manipulate is the kind of word you can use, but yes, brainstorming is actually you are trying to. It's not brainwash. Okay, brainstorming and brainwash. There is a what is brainwash?
Okay.
What do you mean by brainwash?
Imposing our ideas to someone who like
Yes,
Making
your
them believe in
brain
something
Ma'am,
which is
manipulating
not.
someone via some ideas.
Yeah, manipulating.
For doing something. For doing
Yes,
something.
Yes, ma'am.
brainwashing is basically more closer to manipulative. Who said that? I just missed the name,
It's a
but
native word.
that is more.
Ma'am, me.
Yeah. Okay, Rupam, that is more closer because যখন তুমি কাউকে brainwash করে দিচ্ছ, that means that you are not letting that person's own ideas,
Thank
you know, pop out. ওই নিজের
to
আইডিয়া
grow.
গুলো হারিয়ে যাচ্ছে। তোমার নিজের আইডিয়াটাকে তুমি নিজের যেটা বিলিফ সিস্টেমটা আছে, তুমি যেটা বিশ্বাস করো, you're going to put that in that person's mind. That is brainwashing. হয় না? When somebody comes and you say, like, who brainwashed you like that? But
Yes, ma'am.
brainstorming is a positive way where you influence the person, you try to convince the person, but you don't let his ideas go in vain. So it's like nariye dawa, storming that person's mind, that think beyond it, come on, aro kichu bhabte paro. So here you're trying to generate ideas through doing this.
Oh,
Acha,
yes, ma'am.
like for example, কোনো problem holo, then you start giving ideas, right? এরকম করতে পারি আমরা? Can we do that? So that person's brain
Yes, ma'am.
starts
That's
popping up
brainstorming.
on those areas. যে হ্যাঁ এটাও করা
Ideas.
যেতে পারে, right? That is brainstorming. Okay, you're getting my point?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Also creative thinking. So creative thinking means what? How many of you believe in creative thinking?
Thinking out of
And
the
where
box.
does that come from?
Thinking something new, going out of your.
Ma'am, I believe in
what you know,
creative
something
thinking
new,
as
trying
it
something new.
opens our door to vast মানে ম্যাম আমরা যদি কিছু ইমাজিন করি, সেই ইমাজিনেশনটা থ্রু দিয়ে আমরা অনেক কিছু আপনার ইমপ্লিমেন্ট করতে পারি এই।
Okay, so implementing your ideas, that is, you're saying creative thinking?
Yes, ma'am.
Not really, not really.
I'm doing something new
Creative
and
thinking, ma'am,
like
is
out of
yes, ma'am, doing something new which you are not
Like
done it
creativity.
before, ma'am.
Yes, much closer.
like
Yes.
thinking creatively.
Yes, Satyam. Yes, right. So something that you are doing it from your own in your own way. So যেটাকে out of the box ও বলে অনেক সময়।
In a new way, we are doing something
Yes.
that no one has ever done, and conflict between employees in a data set and all.
Okay. Okay. So a lot of creative thinking is there in everybody's mind, but how they don't explore it. Why does that happen? So have you heard of this right brain and left brain concept?
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
So
No, ma'am.
okay, how many of you heard? So what do you know about left brain and right brain?
Ma'am, the left half of our brain controls the right portion of it, and the right part of our half brain controls the left part of it. And the right part of it comes to the thinking part, and the left part controls the other things that's involving the physical activity and movement. That much
Okay,
I know.
so left part of the brain is used for your logical and analytical thinking, right?
Yes, yes,
Say,
that kind of.
yes, while the right half of the brain is more like creative, innovative, imaginative. That doesn't mean that a person who is dominant with right brain doesn't have a left brain working at all. এরকমও হয় না। It's a balance, but again, certain times you will find people with dominantly right brain ta beshi dominant thake left brain e, or the left brain ta more dominant thake right brain e. Okay, depending on that,
then that situation concludes না ও হয় না যেটা ম্যাম কিছুদিন পরে গিয়ে ভুলেই যায় যে লেফট ব্রেনটা এক্সিস্ট করে, নিয়ে তারপরে অ্যালজাইমার ডিজিজ হয়ে যায়, লেফট পার্টটা পড়ে যায়, ওরকমও তো হয়ে যায় অনেক সময় না?
Yeah, but those are like psychological
বেশি ডমিনেটিং হয়ে যায় রাইট পার্টটা।
Yes, I mean, you know, we're talking about normal circumstances. যেরকম
Yes,
আমার
ma'am.
তোমার
We don't want to go that much higher. I get
Yes,
it, ma'am.
we don't want to go to that point, right? So where you know, your brain is it's the working of your brain, right? আমরা যেরকম mind mapping বলে অনেক সময় অনেক কিছুতে, where you try to figure out what that personality is thinking or how that person is. খুব you know, analytical and logical person would not like to talk about unnecessary stuff, right? Unnecessary,
Yes, ma'am.
I mean, very expressive কথাবার্তা, like you're giving a lot of explanation, অনেক
Gossip,
লম্বা লম্বা বলছো,
I guess.
but তার মধ্যে কোনো যুক্তি নেই. You know, you're not talking about what is the point, what is the logic. That person, you can never win the heart of that person or never can get into the mind of that person. But or you're talking to a very creative person and you're just talking about the money factors. Okay, this is going to work, এটা হলে এটা হবে, ওটা হলে ওটা হবে. That person would not enjoy that kind of conversation. So এটার একটা tool আছে. Psychologists have found out a tool which is like where your dominantly personalities are divided in 4 parts. I will do that with you all. Interpersonal skills tag, but I'll do that for you so that it becomes easier for you to understand that irrespective of ami kirokom, like if I am a very creative person, obviously I want to you know, if I'm doing a storytelling, I would want to listen to the story with lot of excitement and a lot of nice way of expressing or feeling that story. But a person very very logical, I'm talking about hardcore logical and analytical person, he would not believe in the stories of which are more
But they would
into
want you to come to the point, I guess.
Yes, so he would want to know that why I should read this book and what are the benefits I'm going to get from this. Probably he would read a book which is, if he's financially oriented, he would want to read books which are written based on those. আমরা এত লোক আছি, right? 95 of us are there. সবার choice of reading is different. কালকে if we have to go to a book fair which is very famous in Kolkata, right? সবাই will pick up their kind of books.
Yes, ma'am.
কেউ খুব dramatic গল্পের বই পড়বে, কেউ literature based, like type of literature changed the society ওরকম বই, কেউ economic based, কেউ financial based, কেউ mythology based. So you know, everybody's choices would be different.
Yes, ma'am.
That talks a lot about your brain working and the things that you grab. এরকম হয় না, এরকম এলিমেন্টস থাকছে ব্রেনে, যখন তুমি তোমার মতন এলিমেন্ট পাচ্ছ সেটা তুমি বেশি ভালো করে গ্রাস্প করছো. Same thing with your studies. Okay, if whatever in the class you know that there are 6 things that you are fond of, তোমার খুব ভালো লাগে. So when those topics are coming on, you listen very attentively, খুব ভালো করে, and you understand it. Some topics which you don't like, you still have to sit and you're still trying to learn it. Like our topic, the last time when I spoke about problem solving, none of you were interested, looks like. Karon mone nei ki bolechi.
Ma'am, we remember, just like Rupam remember how he got to anger issues, just like that, ma'am. We remember it like that.
Okay, I was just kidding. Okay, there's no harm in, you know, saying and recapping or telling me if you want me to say that once again. No problem nahi tate. So all I'm saying is, like, this is how your mind works. Okay, so this is the part of your left brain and right brain balance. Again, you'll also find people who are good with finance and also has a lot of interest in music, right?
Yes, ma'am.
The lot of them.
So we need to find a balance so that we can cater to both the audience, I guess.
Yes, you have to cater to both the audience. Very good, very well said. Absolutely true. So that is how the things are. You know, there was a joke which came up for the left brain and right brain about Donald Trump. Nothing personal, but they said, like, Donald Trump's right brain is all dependent on his left brain, and his left brain has nothing left in it. So that was a kind of joke for
Ma'am,
him.
now you're making Rupam very angry, ma'am.
Sorry? What did you
Ma'am,
say,
I know,
Indrajit?
right?
I missed it.
Ma'am, you're making Rupam very angry, ma'am. He will get anger issues. He loves Donald Trump. Even he
Why
has
will he
made a
be
tattoo
angry?
on
কে
him.
বলেছে কে বলেছে
Okay, okay.
তুই যখন জানিস না
He got
আমার
angry,
পলিটিক্যাল
ma'am.
ভিউজ প্লিজ বলিস না
Okay. Okay, now listen.
I'm a liberal,
There is
ঠিক আছে?
something that I want you all to do. Okay, let's start with Indrajit. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
so I'm going to show you something and you're going to, okay, listen carefully what you have to do. Okay, you have to read aloud as quickly as possible the colors in which the words are written. Okay, but not the actual colors. Can you see this?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I'm
Just
trying to
read
see it, ma'am.
Yeah, just read the
Oh,
colors.
I have to
Okay.
just read
Don't-
the colors that's
yeah,
written
but
on the word, not the color
actual
one.
words. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Just
Ma'am, it's
like,
being
for
little
example,
hazy.
the color is green, but you're going to read blue because green is blue.
Okay, okay, ma'am. Oh, okay. Then blue, red, green, yellow, white, red.
Wrong.
Sorry, that's green.
Wrong.
And
Wrong.
then yellow.
Satyam, you were saying this, right?
Yes, ma'am. Can you repeat that?
Who was reading it? Indrajit, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Indrajit, you missed it there. Green and then comes red. Though it is yellow, but it's red. You have to read the colors.
Okay, okay.
Okay, next. Rupam, Satyam, or whoever wants to try. Come on.
Okay, ma'am. Blue, red, green, yellow, orange, green, yellow, blue, red.
Yeah, you missed it there. Good one. Okay, next. Somebody else, come on, try.
Ma'am.
Yeah, Manisha.
Blue, red, green, yellow, orange, green, yellow, red, blue, white, red,
Good job.
orange.
Manisha, very nice. Well said. Looks like your right brain is very, very creative. I'm going to use you like that.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Very well said. Someone else who wants to try. There's so many people. Nobody wants to try. It's a game. Then also you don't want to try.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am. May I?
Okay. So, Shudipta or Soumya? Who wants to say?
May I, Shudipta?
Yeah. Go ahead.
Blue, red, green, yellow, orange, green, yellow, red, blue, white, red, orange,
Very
green,
good. Very nice, Shudipta.
orange, green, blue, red, yellow, white, orange, green, white, blue, orange, red, yellow, white, blue, green, white.
Oh my God, that was amazing. I could have given you a candy if you were there. Amazing. Very nice.
Thank you, ma'am.
Guys, we should clap for her. She did it all correctly. Yeah. So you know what? This shows your right brain, left brain. This is a small kind of a game that usually, we try to show you that how your brain at times stops working. Like, for example, there are many things that we do, but since right now here, there are certain things we are not able to do. So I can just help you say that. But what here I'm trying to make you understand here is your creative thinking, using of your right brain and left brain. Brainstorming is using more of your analytical part because you are storming and trying to generate things like the ideas which can help you resolve these things. Again, your creative thinking. Maybe nobody has done that, but you know, you take sharp edge around to make that problem solved, right? So your second part here, you're generating ideas through your brainstorming, through your creative thinking, through your predictions. So this is generating. Third part is your evaluate. Now, after generating all the ideas, you finally try to evaluate that, okay, this things can be done. Eta kora jete pare, because this is going to be best beneficial. Like a doctor would find out like 5 medicines or 3 medicines. He would say that, okay, let's do this 2 of them and let's see if this works for him better. I think these 2 medicines are going to work best for him. Right? So the third part is evaluate. Okay, and then after evaluating, when you find out, okay, this is the best medicine, eta korle sabche best problem solve ta hote pare, then you implement it. Finally, you implement it. Okay, you do it and then assess. So basically, you're trying to, at the end, you're trying to take a feedback, assess, data kore amar problem ta solve holo kina. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so the 5 parts are, what are those 5 parts? Analyze, generate,
Evaluate, implement, and evaluate, and implement.
Evaluate, implement, and assess. One more time. So analyze.
Now, what was the last one?
Assets.
Evaluate, implement, assess. Okay, so all of you, analyze, generate, evaluate, implement, and assess. Okay, so this is clear for everybody in your mind. It is clear. We analyze the problem, then we generate ideas, then we pick the best options. That is, we evaluate, and then we implement the evaluated thing. Jeta choose korechi otake implement kora hoy, and then you finally assess. Tomake to figure out korte hobe whether that worked or not, and then the problem solve hoyeche kina. So that is assess.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so these are the 5 solutions. So I want you all to tell me in my next class, or figure out one problem that you resolved it with all these techniques, these 5 things. Okay, let's do something. Like today, you all are facing a challenge where, what are your challenges? What is the problem for it? So what are you think your ideas can be? Generate your own ideas for your problem. You know, if you're not able to speak in front of people, why? That can be one is, somebody said you're afraid, you're not getting the words, you're a little shy, you don't get people to practice with, you don't know how to start, you know, talking. There can be ideas. So A to Q, you have to do it for me, 2 steps. Rest of the 3 steps we will see. Are you going to do that?
Sure, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, figure out what is your challenge.
Sure,
What is your challenge? What is your problem in making things? So, you know, when I go through any kind of problem, it can be personal problem, it can be professional problem, it can be anything. I write the problem and make a circle. I write and make a circle. And for example, I'll tell you how to do it. It's just a tip. So, like, can you see this? Can you all see my paper here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. It's a circle.
Yes, ma'am.
So I write the problem here. I write the problem, and on the one side, this is like I figure out if this is a problem by asking why, where did it come from, how did this happen, what can be done, where I can go. Then I generate ideas. Say first idea, second idea, third idea, fourth idea, and 5th idea. These are like my 5 positive points. And then I also write 5 consequences, like 1, 2, 3. If I do this, you know, this can happen. If I do this, probably this is going to be more non-beneficial. If I do this, this is going to be non-beneficial. So another 5 set of ideas. So these are 5 positive set of ideas, and these are 5 not negative, but
Consequences.
yeah, the consequences of this. And then I evaluate. Then I write, okay, the first thing is like, maybe I should take this, I should do this. Or second thing, I should do this. Third thing, I should do this. So when I have 3, this is evaluation. This is first is the problem analyzing. Then I am trying to generate ideas. I'm generating, banacchi ideas. And then I'm evaluating. So this is the 3 possible things that I can do. If this is okay, এটা হয়ে গেলে তো খুব ভালো হয়। যদি এটা না হয়, then I'll go for the second option. If this doesn't work, I'll also go for the third option. So this is your evaluation. After the evaluation, finally we come to implement it. I want you all to, solve your problems in your life by using this technique.
Finding out these options are problems in itself. Like,
no, that is where you need your brainstorming. That is where you need your critical thinking. There is nothing in this world which is not solvable. It is solvable. It's all in our mind. It's all in our mind. If you think you don't want, you cannot do it, that's because your mind is all ready, because it cannot ever happen. And that is also a type of personality which is called as adversity quotient. Have you heard this 4 types? Like you have the IQ, SQ, EQ, and AQ.
yes.
I told you that, right? So even you know that your IQ is more of your intelligence. It's all about your intelligence, how intelligent. What was that, Imran? You were saying something? Okay, so Imran, can you please mute your call? Imran, can you please mute your call? Okay, so we were talking about the IQ, where you say that IQ is very important, and for your own hard skill development. But the rest of the 3 things, your SQ, your social quotient, your EQ, your emotional quotient, and then comes yours is your adversity quotient. Adversity quotient is something you deal with in your life. Everyone deals it earlier, later in your life, where you deal with some unsuccessful things, like not unsuccessful, but something failures, like something you wanted to do, it did not happen, or you end up in a situation where suppose you're working in a team, you did all the work, but you don't get the right credit, you don't get a promotion, you're not acceptable to some places, you heard some unwanted conversation about you from someone, college gecho, there is a lot of ragging, you are not being able to make friends for whatever reasons. So these are like your adversity quotient. When a person is dealing with that kind of a situation, adverse situation, which is out of normal, then how that person deals with, কিভাবে ওটাকে বের করছে, কিভাবে ওই ব্লক থেকে বের হচ্ছে, that itself is a very big thing. Because if you don't deal with this from the beginning, then in like from the childhood, when a child is একটা বাচ্চাকে সবকিছুর জন্য হ্যাঁ বলা হয়, that child, right, বলা হয়, right, শাসন করা হয়নি ভালো করে, so probably if you got a slap from your mom from the beginning, you could have understood what it is, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So that is making a child aware of adversity quotient. It can be smaller to bigger things. It can just be a small problem of a child, or it can be a bigger problem like drugs. But you know, right, how difficult it is for a person to come out of drugs and alcohols.
Yes.
That is like the adversity quotient, where you are trying to refine yourself. What does it happen like when you go to the wellness center, asylum say, where they train you to come out from that adverse condition to the normal condition, right? So that is what I'm talking about. So everything is in your mind. So use your right skills, use your positive skills. Your efficiency lies there. And every person has very good things in him, and every person also has challenges with him. Nobody is perfect in this world. It's just that you have to make yourself according to the situation, right?
Right, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And I'm here for that. And I hope that you all will come up with that. So I wanted to tell you about the CAT-WO checklist today, but next class, you all have to be aware of what we are doing, okay? Come on time in your class, talk to me, tell your challenges, and I'm going to take up the problem solving a little more on details of that, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
So you understood about brainstorming, right? The difference between brainstorming and brainwashing. So there is a difference.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah, we spoke about creative thinking. We spoke about the 5 stages.
ma'am.
Yes. Who's saying something?
मैम मेरा नाम मोनू है, इलेक्ट्रिकल डिपार्टमेंट से हूँ।
हाँ जी बोलिए।
मैम अभी ज्वाइन किया हूँ, थोड़ा देर पहले ही क्लास में ज्वाइन किया हूँ, तो उतना कुछ नहीं सुना हूँ, बस जितना सुना उसके ऊपर एक चीज पूछूंगा मैम आपसे।
हाँ जी।
मैम आप बोल रहे हो कि अपना स्किल्स को मतलब एक तरफ से खोजना, कि फाइंड आउट करो कि तुम्हारे अंदर क्या स्किल्स है, ठीक है मैम? अब एक मैम अभी हम लोग पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं डिप्लोमा का, ठीक है ना मैम? हम लोग एक चीज का पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं और ना बोले तो हम लोग मतलब पूरा फोकस बस उसी चीज के ऊपर रहता है, ठीक है? इम्पोर्टेंट क्या है अभी हम लोग के लेके, जो चीज पढ़ रहे हैं उसके ऊपर फोकस करना और उसको जानना। अब एक चीज बताइए मैम, जिसका ये स्किल्स नहीं है, जिसको मतलब इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियरिंग सिर्फ एक घर में बोल दिया, घर का कोई बड़ा या तो फिर कोई बोल दिया, उसकी वजह से इंजीनियरिंग करने आया है, ठीक है मैम? अब उस टाइम पे वो उसको क्या करना चाहिए ये बताइए मैम। वो तो इसका स्किल्स नहीं है, पर उसको बताएगा कौन कि तुम्हारा ये स्किल्स नहीं है, तुमको वो कैसे फाइंड आउट करेगा मैम? क्वेश्चन तो वही आ जाता है फाइनल कि कैसे वो आदमी खुद का स्किल्स या कोई बच्चा खोजेगा, कैसे वो चीज को जानेगा कैसे?
देखो मोनू, इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि किसी में कोई एक स्किल होता नहीं है। अ पर्सन इज मेड विथ मेनी स्किल्स। बहुत सारी चीजें एक साथ आती है, जिसमें से कुछ बहुत अच्छी होती है, कुछ थोड़ी कमजोर होती है, ठीक है? तुमको आप जैसे सपोज करो इंजीनियरिंग करने आया है, उसको इंजीनियरिंग उतना अच्छा नहीं आता है, पर उसे अच्छा क्या आता है? उसे गाना गाना अच्छा आता है, उसे लिखना अच्छा आता है, उसे म्यूजिक आता है, या उसका बात करने का तरीका अच्छा आता है। एक तो हो गया टैलेंट, एक हो गया जो आपको सीखना है, बिकॉज आपको कल जाके काम करना है, ठीक है? बट सपोज आप बहुत अच्छे इंजीनियर नहीं बन पाए, बट आप बहुत अच्छे इंसान हो, डोंट यू थिंक कि आपका वो जॉब टिका रहेगा देन टू अ पर्सन जिसको बहुत अच्छा इंजीनियरिंग आता है बट उसका बहुत एरोगेंट एटीट्यूड है? वो टिका रहेगा जॉब में?
लेकिन मैम यहाँ तो बात ये,
हाँ मोनू, जो आप
तो बात हो गया कि
इंजीनियरिंग उसको नहीं अच्छा आता है बट घर से भेज दिया गया है। अब
हाँ मैम,
वो आप जो बोल रहे हो वो है हार्ड स्किल की बात। अगर आपको ये नहीं करना है, सपोज मैं सपोज आपकी एग्जांपल लेती हूँ कि मोनू, आपको पेरेंट्स ने बोला कि भाई जाओ डिप्लोमा करो, इंजीनियरिंग का ये करो, और आपने देखा पढ़ते समय मुझे इसमें प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है, मैं नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ, मेरा एप्टीट्यूड नहीं है उसमें। तो फर्स्ट थिंग जो आपको करना चाहिए वो तो है कि पर्टिकुलर सब्जेक्ट में आप पहले तो खुद एफर्ट लगाओगे कि आपको ये पहले तो सोचना है कि आपको ये खत्म करना है कि नहीं, ठीक है? ये हो गया। आप हार्ड स्किल की बात कर रही हूँ मैं, सिर्फ हार्ड स्किल। एक पर्सनालिटी में एक हार्ड स्किल होता है और एक सॉफ्ट स्किल होता है। मैं आप लोगों को सॉफ्ट स्किल पढ़ाती हूँ, बट मैं आपको दोनों चीजें इसलिए बता रही हूँ कि हार्ड स्किल वो आपका खुद का एफर्ट है। सपोज आपको यहाँ इलेक्ट्रिक में सब्जेक्ट्स में वहां पे प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है, तो आप क्या करोगे? आप उसको लेके बैठे रहोगे या आप उस प्रोफेसर के पास जाओगे कि सर ये नहीं समझ आ रहा है, आप वापस से समझाओ, या प्रिंसिपल को बोलो, और आप इस तरह से उसको समझो और पढ़ो कि आप पास हो जाओ कम से कम, कि आपके पास डिग्री आ जाए। आपका मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या है कि डिग्री लाना, या तो फिर आप ये सोच लो कि मेरे से नहीं होगा।
मैम मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव डिग्री लाना कैसे हो सकता है मैम?
बिल्कुल, अगर आपके पास फिलहाल डिग्री नहीं है
अभी के लिए
तो आप कहाँ से जॉब करोगे?
मैम यही तो हो गया ना, फिर तो
कर सकते हो, ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको जॉब नहीं मिलेगा।
मैम लास्ट तो यही चीज हो गया कि अब फिर वो ये हो गया कि वो अपना एक टाइप से डिग्री के लिए वो बस जैसे भी करके बस पास हो जाए, फिर तो उसका 3 साल तो बर्बाद हो गया। अब जो चीज वो सीखेगा ही नहीं, बस पास होने के लिए पढ़ेगा, तो फिर उसका 3 साल तो वेस्ट हो गया। फ्यूचर में क्या काम आएगा उसका? डिग्री से उसको क्या, आजकल डिग्री से मैम किसको कितना जॉब मिलता है? बात तो यही हो जाता है ना कि
जो आप बोल रहे हो, देन प्रोबेबली आपको ऐसा करना चाहिए कि यू शुड सिट विथ योर पेरेंट्स एंड कन्विंस देम दैट ये नहीं, तो व्हाट इज द अदर ऑप्शन? अगर आपको ये नहीं करना है तो आपको
मैम मेन मुद्दा तो आजकल यही है कि जहाँ बेस क्या है, पेरेंट्स से शुरू में इंजीनियरिंग करने आने से पहले ही अपने पेरेंट्स से बात करना चाहिए, या फिर पेरेंट्स को उसका बच्चा से बात करना। मेन ये चीज तो इम्पोर्टेंट तो यही है। अब इंजीनियरिंग में जाके वो चीज को सीखना कि नहीं हमको पहले ही अभी ये चीज पसंद नहीं आ रहा है, हमको ये चीज नहीं करना चाहिए था, ये मेरा स्किल्स नहीं है, ये जब इंजीनियरिंग का 3rd ईयर में आके ये चीज जानना, और इस चीज के बाद जानने के बाद तो उसके पास तो 2 साल चल जाता है, उसका 2 साल तो बर्बाद हो गया मैम। फिर वही चीज वो पेरेंट्स से जाके बात करेगा, पेरेंट्स हमको
और बहुत पैसा लाएगा ना।
ये सोच ही गलत है। आप ये बोल रहे हो कि कोई भी चीज, मतलब ये तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हेन यू आर लाइक इन योर 10th 12th में आप तो तभी आइडेंटिफाई कर लेते हो ना कि मैं ये कर सकता हूँ, मतलब मेरा स्ट्रीम जो है इंजीनियरिंग साइड में है, साइंस साइड में है, या एक बार आप उधर घुस गए, उस समय अगर आप बोलो कि भाई मैं तो अभी
मैम मैं उसका बात कर ही नहीं रहा हूँ ना मैम तो ये बोल रहा हूँ कि जो अपना पेरेंट्स का सिर्फ जबरदस्ती से आता है, जो पेरेंट्स का सुन के आता है इंजीनियरिंग करने, मैं उसका बात कर रहा हूँ।
उसमें आप क्या करोगे? बच्चा और पेरेंट्स करता है, राइट?
ये मैम एक चीज मैं तो प्रैक्टिकली ये चीज देखा हूँ कि मैं खुद अभी मेरा क्लास में 63 बच्चे हैं, ठीक है, जिस लोग इंजीनियरिंग तो कर रहे हैं, ठीक है, पर उनका मतलब ये इंजीनियरिंग करने का तरीका अलग है। वो लोग बस इंजीनियरिंग कर रहे हैं, उनको बस डिग्री चाहिए, एक ही चीज है, सिंपल चीज। वो चीज के ऊपर है कि घर से भेज दिया इंजीनियरिंग करने।
कोई भी डिग्री करोगे, दो चीज पैरेलली चलता है, एक है आपका एजुकेशन जो आपको डिग्री देता है जिसकी बात करें, और एक है लर्निंग कि आप जो सीखते हैं, ठीक है। अभी एक बच्चा जो है सपोज कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के बारे में पढ़ता है पर उसको समझता है, वो दोनों में डिफरेंस है, राइट? एक है साइंस जो आप पढ़ते हैं कि ऐसा ऐसा करने से ये रिएक्शन होता है, बट एक बच्चा जो है उसको एक्सपेरिमेंट करके देखता है, दोनों में डिफरेंस है, और वो पर्टिकुलर पर्सन पे डिपेंड करता है। तो अभी आप मुझसे क्या सोल्यूशन चाहते हो? मतलब मैं ये क्वेश्चन ही नहीं समझ पा रही हूँ कि ये मुझे समझ में आया कि मम्मी पापा के दबाव पे कोई आ जाता है, तो आप उसने वो दबाव लिया ही क्यों है? अगर आपको लगता है कि वो नहीं, और अगर आपने ले लिया है तो वो तो करना है, डिग्री क्यों इम्पोर्टेंट है?
मेन क्वेश्चन है क्या मैम, पता है मैम मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है कि आज इस टाइम पे मैम इस टाइम पे मैम बहुत सारा आवाज आ रहा है उधर से।
या रेस्ट ऑफ यू कैन यू प्लीज अनम्यूट? महुआ कैन यू अनम्यूट? मोनू बोलो।
हाँ मैम ये बोल रहा था कि जैसे कि अभी 3rd ईयर में हम लोग, ठीक है मैम, इस टाइम में मैम आपका ग्रूमिंग का क्लास हम लोग को मिला, ठीक है, इस टाइम पे हम लोग को मिला और हम लोग इसके बारे में आपसे जानने का कोशिश, बहुत सा ऐसा चीज आप बता रहे हैं जो चीज हम लोग को ठीक है हम लोग को लाइफ में इम्प्लीमेंट करना चाहिए। तो ये चीज अभी जब 2 साल के बाद हम लोग को ये चीज जानने को पता चल रहा है कि तुम्हारे स्किल्स को तुम खोजो किसमें तुम, ठीक है मैम। तो ये चीज है, जब हम लोग अपना 2 साल पूरा वो चीज कंप्लीट करके आ रहे हैं, एक टाइम के बाद लास्ट टाइम पे हम लोग को ये चीज बताया जा रहा है, ठीक है मैम। तो इस टाइम पे हम उसको कैसे अपना इस पे इम्प्लीमेंट करें मैम?
आप तो
कैसे
कभी भी
इम्प्लीमेंट
किसी भी
करें?
तरह इम्प्लीमेंट कर सकते हो। आपको पता है मोनू कि जब हम आपके यहाँ के पहले आई यूज्ड टू वर्क, ठीक है, कॉग्निजेंट में सीनियर मैनेजर्स जो 10 साल 15 साल बाहर भी रह के आए हैं, ब्रॉड एक्सपीरियंस है, उनके साथ भी हमने सॉफ्ट स्किल। आपको क्या लगता है 45 years okay, there's a lot of noise. Mama, can you please unmute mute? Mama, can someone call her and tell her to mute? Can someone call her? Okay, thank you.
हाँ मैम बोलिए।
So, जो 45 years का आदमी है वो अगर आपको ये बोले वो भी ले रहा है ट्रेनिंग, क्यों? क्योंकि उसको उस समय भी इम्प्लीमेंट करना रहता है। तो आप तो अभी जस्ट सेकेंड ईयर में है, आपको किस बात का प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है? मुझे ये नहीं समझ आ रहा है कि आप फर्स्ट ईयर से करना चाहते थे, नहीं पाए, तो अभी जो मिल रहा है उससे क्यों नहीं कर पा रहे हैं? और आप तो क्लास में लेट भी आए हैं क्योंकि आपको ये लगता है कि अगर ये क्लास इतना इम्पोर्टेंट ही नहीं है मेरे लिए, मैं क्या करूंगा सीख के? मैंने 2 साल तो ऐसे।
मैम मेन है कि इम्पोर्टेंट का बात नहीं है ना मैम।
तो क्या है? व्हाट इज?
बात तो ये है मैम कि आप एक चीज हम लोग को बता रहे हैं मैम, ठीक है, हम लोग के लाइफ के बारे में, ठीक है मैम। ये अभी हम लोग 3rd ईयर का अपना 5th सेम में ये चीज आप हम लोग को बता रहे हैं कि अपने स्किल्स को खोजो, ठीक है, उसके बारे में उसको फाइंड आउट करो, उसके ऊपर वर्क करो। अब एक चीज बताइए मैम, फर्स्ट ईयर में जब बच्चा एडमिशन होता है ना, तो इस चीज को हम लोग 3rd ईयर में क्यों सोचते हैं, फर्स्ट ईयर में क्यों नहीं सोचते हैं मैम? यही चीज पूछ रहा था।
लकी है, आप बहुत बहुत लकी है कि आपके कॉलेज ने जो है ये इनिशिएटिव लिया है, आपके प्रिंसिपल सर ने, कि उनको ये एहसास होता है, उनको ये लगता है कि आप उनके बच्चों को, चाहे वो फर्स्ट ईयर से हो, सेकेंड ईयर से हो, 3rd ईयर से हो, जिस भी समय, हमेशा हर चीज एप्लीकेबल इम्प्लीमेंट करना पॉसिबल नहीं होता है, फिर भी उन्होंने ये इम्प्लीमेंट किया ताकि अभी आपके पास अभी भी 6 months है, 7 months है, आप अभी भी जो बिल्कुल नहीं होता, समथिंग इज बेटर देन नथिंग, आपने सुना है, राइट? तो उस चीज को पा रहे, व्हाई आर यू लुकिंग एट द हाफ फिल्ड ग्लास? क्यों आप देख रहे हैं जो चीज नहीं है? क्यों आप वो नहीं देख पा रहे जो है? अगर आपको लगता कि आज का क्लास इंपॉर्टेंट है, मैम क्या बोल रही है, यू वुड हैव बीन इन द क्लास फ्रॉम द बिगिनिंग, आप लेट नहीं ज्वाइन करते। और ये आपका फर्स्ट, इट इज योर फर्स्ट इम्प्रेशन, ये स्किल्स है, इसी को सॉफ्ट स्किल्स कहते हैं। अगर आपको लगता है कि डिग्री इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है, तो फिर आप क्या करते? अभी आप कुछ नहीं पढ़ते, फिर तो फिर लोग कॉलेज इंस्टीट्यूशंस जाते ही नहीं।
मैम हाँ मैम, हेलो,
आई एम सेइंग दैट आप जो बोल रहे हो डिग्री की बात, जबकि मैम डिग्री के साथ कॉन्सेप्ट समझना, या उसको एजुकेशन जिसको हम बोलते हैं एक्चुअल में समझना, समझ के कुछ चीज को करना, वो आपका ही स्किल है, दैट इज योर हार्ड स्किल। तभी जो है एजुकेशन में जो है डिग्री तो देते ही है, एग्जाम्स भी लिया जाता है, साथ में ट्रेनिंग भी कराया जाता है। वो ट्रेनिंग जो है वो आपको जो है एक्वायर्ड नॉलेज को समझाया जाता है। और सॉफ्ट स्किल आपको, मुझे ये नहीं समझ में आ रहा है कि सॉफ्ट स्किल अभी करके आपको क्या फायदा होगा, आप ये बोलना चाहते हैं? अगर आप बिल्कुल भी नहीं करते तो आपको कोई भी फायदा नहीं होता, राइट?
नहीं, सॉफ्ट स्किल करने या ना करने का मेरा ये बोलने का मतलब नहीं है मैम। मैम ये चीज के बारे में जानना अभी, और ये चीज के बारे में इसको अभी सोचना मेरे के लिए, मैं ये बोल रहा हूँ कि जैसे स्किल्स मैम एक टाइप से क्या होता है, सिर्फ एक चीज तो नहीं, अपना आदमी का खुद का बिहेवियर और कुछ भी कैसा वो पर्सनालिटी, ये पता है, ये एक स्किल होता है मैम। मैं इसका बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ मैम। मैम जो चीज वो पढ़ने आया है, जिस चीज के बारे में वो जानने आया है, वो उसका स्किल्स है कि नहीं उस चीज के बारे में। मतलब एक होता है ना मैम कि कोई काम को करने का एक जन का ना, एक होता है कि उसको मन लगता है वो चीज करने में, एक होता है कि उसको एक टाइम के बाद वो ऐसा होता है, मैं तो देखा हूँ इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ मैम, कि वो पढ़ता है ठीक है, एक टाइम के बाद वो बोल देता है कि मेरे से नहीं होगा, मेरा ये स्किल्स ही नहीं है, मेरे से इंजीनियरिंग मतलब ये होगा ही नहीं, ये बोल देता है कि मेरा ये है ही नहीं, मेरा दूसरा स्किल्स है। दूसरा स्किल्स क्या मतलब, मेरा ये मतलब मुझसे नहीं होगा, मेरे से दूसरा चीज में उसका मन लगता है। तो
नहीं बोलो, आप बहुत कंफ्यूज हो, आपको मुझसे अलग से बात करना चाहिए। आप दोनों चीज को एक साथ बोल रहे हो, आप हार्ड स्किल और सॉफ्ट स्किल को मिक्स कर दे रहे हो। जो आप बोल रहे हो पढ़ने में मन नहीं है, वो जबरदस्ती कर रहे हैं, वो अलग चीज है, वो हार्ड स्किल्स है। और हम यहाँ पे जो है सॉफ्ट स्किल करा रहे हैं, जो आपका बिहेवियर, आपकी पर्सनालिटी, दोनों चीज साइड बाय साइड चलते, दोनों चीज वर्क्स पैरेलली।
अच्छा मैम, अच्छा सॉफ्ट स्किल और हार्ड स्किल के बारे में ही मुझे नहीं पता है मैम, आप एक बार थोड़ा बता दोगे तो अच्छा है मैम।
हाँ, उसके क्लासेस है, आपने अटेंड नहीं किए क्या?
नहीं मैम, मैं बोला तो मैम ये फर्स्ट क्लास कर रहा हूँ।
तो आप अटेंड कीजिए। आप जितना अटेंड करेंगे, जितना आप अपने आप में उसको आइडेंटिफाई कर पाएंगे, शायद आपके अंदर जो कॉन्फ्लिक्ट चल रहा है वो आप रिजॉल्व कर पाएंगे। तभी तो ये क्लासेस किया जाता है। डोंट वरी मोनू, यू विल ऑलवेज लर्न समथिंग। आपको जब भी मिल रहा है मौका, आप क्लास के शुरू में आइए, आके जो है आप अपनी प्रॉब्लम्स बताइए। जैसे आपने आज बताया, मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगा, बिकॉज फिर आप पता चलता है कि आपको सीखने की इच्छा है, तो आपको हम है ना यहाँ पे हेल्प करने के लिए।
मैम एक चीज बोलूं,
हाँ जी
मैम, हम लोग का, मेरे क्लास में हम लोग का टोटल बच्चा, जितना भी बच्चा है ठीक है, हम लोग सब बहुत अच्छा है एक दूसरे के साथ। पर मेन यह होता है ना कि एक दूसरे, हम लोग का मतलब बहुत सारे ऐसे क्लास में बच्चे हैं जिनको प्रॉब्लम होता है, सिर्फ मेरा नहीं, बहुत जन है।
हाँ, तो आई वांट टू नो दैट, आई एम हियर फॉर दैट, तभी तो मैं यहाँ पे हूँ। आपको अच्छा, आपकी पर्सनालिटी को रिफाइन करने के लिए मैं यहाँ पे हूँ। तो आपको आइए, क्लासेस में आइए, समझिए बात को, फिर इम्प्लीमेंट करने में हूँ ना मैं यहाँ पे। आई एम देयर फॉर यू। ओके?
हाँ मैम।
Yeah, so I'm going to see you more often, okay, Monu? In all my sessions, attend. आपको मैं हार्ड स्किल, सॉफ्ट स्किल, ये सारा कॉन्फ्लिक्ट जो आपके अंदर है, ये जो आपका प्रॉब्लम्स हो रही है, उसको कैसे रिजॉल्व करना है, क्या चीजों पे आप ध्यान दे सकते हो, वो आप लोग खुद ही निकाल लोगे। आपके पास सब है, इट्स जस्ट आपको अवेयर होना है। कई बार होता है कि आप अनजाने में ही उस चीज को कर रहे हैं, पर आप जान के करेंगे तो और अच्छा रहेगा। Okay, class, so I'm going to see you all next day again. Take care of yourself. Think about what we have studied. If you have any problems, don't hesitate, talk to me. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you.
Ma'am, thank you, ma'am.